don't know if you can see it there in the distance, but got some crazy bird flying above overhead. Not sure why. It's been at this all day, and it's making different patterns in the sky for flight. It's a helicopter. I can't really identify what kind, let alone the marking on the side. I can tell that it's in yellow. Helicopter looks to be like a dark navy blue or a black. Can't really tell. It's flying more into the sun. It's been circling around Sandy City, White City area all day, and it's not stopped. So I kind of want to know why. And it seems to be making another bout. Can't really see it all that well through the trees. Here it comes. There, if you can see it through the little tree branches, you can see it making its round. If anyone has an idea of what the heck is going on, please send a shout out of what's going on, because I don't know who to contact in regards to this, and it's a little disturbing considering that it looks like they're circling mostly around Lone Peak Park and my dad's house and some of the houses across the street. Yeah, not too sure what to make of this. It's making slow hover circles. If anyone has an idea, please send a shout out of what's going on. My name is Roberta Rogerson, and as a concerned citizen, I am kind of wondering what the heck is going on. Thank you.